Hi, if you are serious about working out, you probably know that it's super important to hit your protein goals. So now I'm going to share a recipe that I make almost every single day to school, and you can make this exact same recipe because it only takes like, I don't know, 5 to 7 minutes is my guess. This recipe, I don't know the calories, but I know it's super delicious and it has at least 100 grams of protein. So let's get into it. You are going to need half a kilogram of cottage cheese, protein of your choice. I'm going to use two types, some honey, a container of your choice. I'm going to use this glass one, and an entire 100-gram bar of chocolate. It's ideal if you have like 85% cocoa in the chocolate. First, we are going to dump this entire thing into there. Now, when we did that, we are going to add a scoop and a half or 2 scoops of a protein powder of your choice. I'm going to add around 3/4 of a scoop from this Penta Pro vanilla flavor. And then I'm going to add another 3/4 of a scoop of this unflavored protein that is also really good. Now, to save time, we are going to unpack this chocolate and put it all in a glass bowl like this. Okay, if the cocoa percentage is high, like 85%, but some 85%, this is the big difference. This one doesn't have that much cocoa fat in it, so it's really hard to melt. So I'm going to add some butter to it. Now when we added some butter, we can melt it in the microwave and mix this in the meanwhile. Now I like to add around a tablespoon of honey. Now when the chocolate has melted, you can pour it in and mix it all together. Now just look at how delicious it looks. It's pure chocolate and I love it. And the best way to eat it is to eat it with 2 bananas. So I pack this along with this because this is my school lunch. And now for the macros, I'm going to put the macros on the screen right now. If you enjoyed this video and if you want more functional recipes like this, make sure to like. And if you want more videos like this, because I make videos regarding health and calisthenics, make sure to subscribe. Bye.